We live in transformational times. The fourth industrial revolution is already changing our lives with robotics, 3D printing, and machine connectivity. The exponential growth of computing power drives this speed of innovation. New business models have changed our concept of availability. We expect increasingly individualized products delivered to us instantly, while sustainability and supply chain issues demand we do better. However, big transformations can be big opportunities. Imagine producing anything, anywhere, on demand, with zero waste.
Bigrep is a pioneer in large format 3D printing. Founded 2014 in Berlin, we went global from day one with offices in Boston, Singapore, and now Shanghai. We are close to our customers. We have over 600 systems installed globally with a network of partners of more than 100. At first glance, we are engineering 3D printing solutions based on reliable hardware, selected qualified materials, smart software, and smart services and training. However, what we truly sell to our customers is speed of innovation and flexibility of production. Our mission is to transform our users' productivity and creativity with very easy-to-use solutions.
Bigrep printing systems have been always designed for reliability, precision, and high-performance extrusion. With the new Bigrep Pro, we're adding sensors that the machine can track what it is doing while it's printing. We're adding computational power that it can process this information. With this level of automation and data processing, the Pro brings 3D printing into professional serial production.
Well, obviously the Bigrep's kind of allowed us to really make this project unique. Without it, you would have to sculpt, mold, which is just so much more work than modeling and 3D printing. We could print 24/7, whereas, sculpting is humans who need breaks and need to sleep, whereas my Bigreps need a little bit of grease once a year and they just run non-stop.
So when you have a big volume like the Bigrep, you're actually able to make super complex shapes without the need of expensive equipment. This method is very fast, cost effective, and we can do a lot of iterations. That's where 3D printing and carbon fiber are made for each other.
We invested in the Bigrep Pro because the need for large-scale additive manufacturing increased over the time. We were not able to catch up all these needs, and that's why we need a machine that also has a higher speed that we can produce even more. To our mind, the Pro may be the enabler for end-use automotive parts.
Bigrep is building a future where 3D printing is smarter and easier than ever before. This includes Bigrep Connect, an online platform for managing your Bigrep printers with easy instant control. It allows you to monitor the printer status with sensor data and a live webcam feed. You can also create and manage your print job queue. We're proud to introduce a new cloud-based toolbox of design apps called Bigrep Flow. It enables anyone to create 3D printable factory fixtures, packaging, and tools with just a few clicks. No need for CAD software skills. Bigrep Flow is made to minimize your workflow. It's the future of design automation.